What is up guys, Bearded Outlet here. So today we're in Wales and we're going to be doing this crazy car graveyard. There's so much here, so just get ready, it's going to be absolutely mad. And with Mr. Mickey aka Visuals and Unseen Footage.
Alright.
So like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, we're going to crack to it. Alright, so we're on site finally. Stick to the edge, Mick. Old van that, innit?
Yeah, got loads of them in there, vans. That's no good, but little one. Yeah, I thought a dog would come in for like all day, would you?
Yeah.
Wow.
What, Defender? Yeah, Land Rover.
Old Peugeot.
I know, that's where we're going. That's the barn.
Yeah.
There's so many, isn't there?
Yeah, we're going straight for it. Oh.
No, we can't go around that way. Wait here though, wait for these guys.
Got it.
It's mad, isn't it? But yeah, wait till you see the next bit. Again, if we pull this off. We just need our man to get on here. Quick. Come on, man. Mate.
Looking tired, you man. Wow. Oh, the vendor again, isn't it? Yeah.
No. I'm telling them to come around this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
the barn's open.
Yeah, this is why this is the spot. Because we can shimmy down and do our bit over here.
Yeah.
Apparently my man's been on here for a couple of hours though, so we can get it done. You guys are about to see something absolutely insane. Like legit. This is one of the barns, by the way, there's more. Here we go, the step. Mate. So that was down somewhere before, but I think, yeah, there's another barn over here. Look at this old caddy.
Yeah.
Yes, I've not seen a caddy before.
You can climb on.
Yeah, go on. Look at this, guys. Mate.
This is mental.
This is only number one though, there's so many.
Look at those signs over there as well.
And now there's even more though.
Really tyres. D-Reg.
I know. D-Reg Peugeot.
It's a sports one as well.
Look at this, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
What is it?
Awesome.
There is some caddies though. Look at that Land Rover, mate. Got old MG. Spitfire, is it?
Yeah.
Look at them,
Old
just
winner.
collecting dust. Look at that one. Oh, it's an Eldorado.
I reckon, innit?
Yeah, so you've got some imports as well.
Yeah.
Bloody Eldorado, mate.
It's mental, isn't it?
Surrounded by cars, mate. You see somebody's coming like slash the plastic and stuff. Look, it's all Jag, mate. See all the car footprints? All the car footprints. Yeah. I mean, people have obviously been getting access here for years. Yo, mate. All Jag. There's a few of them. You can see like all the windows and all the other bits. Oh, is this like one of those Peugeot GTIs? Yeah. All Defenders. There's so many cars here that it's just like you're moving around doing bits, mate. Well, there's a few Defenders.
This one here. Is it Morris Minor 1100?
Oh wow, yeah.
Say GTIs, you've got
There's
loads
a
of them, haven't
GTI,
you?
yeah, there's quite a few of them, 1.6.
Yeah.
But look at them, how they've all stacked. This is only one barn, by the way, there's more.
It's mad that, isn't it?
I think that's just a... I don't know what
It's
that
a
is.
machine in it, what's doing something with you. We'd have stopped that way down here.
MG BGT, I don't know that one.
BGT in it.
Maybe the first one I've seen.
Private plate on it, look.
So if this is barn number 1, just imagine how many rare and old cars are here. Like, there's probably going to be easy a good 500,000 million in cars if they were new. Yeah, look at that one. I wonder if we'll see a Herald. I do like the Heralds.
Mad, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that little one over there. What's that one?
Not sure.
You see it, the white one?
Yeah. Beetle.
Could be, yeah.
Beetle.
Could be a convertible Beetle. Oh, look at this Jag, man. They're so pretty. Made different.
Proper old, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that convertible Mini. Not Mini Beetle. Is it?
This is Jaguar.
Yeah, these are, but that one there looks a bit different. See the convertible one?
Morris Minor, innit? That's what
Ah,
it
is
says, yeah.
it?
So Morris Minor, your convertible, proper old one.
So you've got that over there too. You can see, like, on the inside, they're all cut up a bit, and a lot of these you could probably restore there, couldn't you? I wonder what this is. This looks like a race car.
Proper old one, innit? Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That's a sport car, isn't it?
What's your car? It's got no Jag in it, no? No.
No, not that. Look at this beauty. Oh, it looks like one of those Buicks, but it's not, is it?
No.
See, look. I
Mercedes,
make out that I
innit?
know what I'm
That's an
talking
old
about.
Mercedes, that one.
I have no idea.
You can tell because the badge has been snapped off.
Yeah. Make. Another Peugeot. What's that? 205. And this is just barn one, mate. Right, so trying to run the first barn. Again, we're being very stealthy because it's a very strange place. There's some cool cars over here though. So there's old Caddy here. 1.4 cylinder, I don't know what that is, but then you've got this here, look at this, an old ambulance. Can't get the arse around. Yeah, look at this.
French one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Aren't it Ghostbusters?
Well, yeah, it is actually.
Ghostbusters.
Shh. You see the Drayton Manor on it. Really overgrown. It's in barn number 2. The smoke alarm. See, that one doesn't look that old compared to the others. There's so many cars on here though. So many. Pure stealth mode, isn't it? You can see how overgrown it is. Nice and easy. Yeah, there's the house. Golf GTI. Oh, here we go. Make. Shh. I can't tell if somebody went.
Shed fruits out there.
Yeah, no, it's another barn. Look, barn there and
That's what I'm saying, people think like fruit.
yeah. No, there's like a thing for it, but we'll see. Yeah, Golf GTI.
GMH60.
Go through. Right, so we'll move a bit now. I know. Hey look, Mitsubishi.
Yeah.
Mad, innit?
Yeah, what? I thought one of these for my Mitsubishi.
See the Rolls Royce?
Yeah.
That is a pretty car, mate. That is a pretty car. Oh, there's so many going all the way over there. And over here, wow. Morris Minor. Look at them all just busy collecting dust, rot. Yo, what is that? See, a lot of these cars, I'm not like a massive car person, I don't know loads, but it's just mad. Look at this Jaguar. Wow. Does it open? Oh, no. Hey, look at that one. I don't even know what this car is. That looks like a really cool car though, old school. Look at this. That Pontiac. See, I'm just saying names, I don't even know, mate, but I love them. I love the way that these were built and all the other stuff. It's absolutely mad. Big daddy cars, look. Huge cars, just rotting away. Oh, I think that's a Beetle, isn't it? A Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, there's just so many mad cars. And wait till you see the other bit. Ford. Look at this one. It's just a shame though. Oh, why? Old Porsche. Mickey. Porsche, mate.
Put wheel fin on it as well. Got a wheel fin on it as well.
I know. Mad in it.
We always like...
Absolutely mad in it. How much money do you reckon's here then so far?
A lot.
You're talking 5, aren't you?
Yeah, you've got more money.
See that one, we don't really know what this car is. We'll have a look at it in a minute, but it's different. These are big cars, aren't they?
Yeah, it's all metal in it.
Well, yeah, Russ has been here. These have got to be here for a good 20 years, haven't they?
It's probably one of the first ones put down.
Yeah, well, maybe. Well, you'd think maybe on the other side, though. We're just looking at it, though, it's just mad, isn't it?
Look at this. Wow. Boys are aware.
I can't believe it, mate. Oh, that
Hello.
yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, Sovereign 42. Yeah, Sovereign 42.
Seals coming out of it.
Oh yeah, it's all coming apart, isn't it? Can you imagine these though, like brand new again and restored and all that? It's just mad, isn't it? And these cars have become more and more in demand, restored, and it's crazy. Now they're just rotting and rusting. Oh yeah. What's this one?
Peugeot. 205 Cabriolet.
I love this one though. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Xbox.
Mm-hmm.
Big on the Xbox. Look, another Minor. Minor 1000.
Minor.
Okay, Mickey, come look at this. Come look at this one. So you might not know what this one is. It's meant to be an Audi.
Yeah.
But the inside doesn't look like an Audi. And then there are more Fords and stuff over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the back of it.
Audi.
Yeah, I know. But what is it?
It's an old Audi. It's mental.
Right, yeah. No, quiet, just quiet. Loving this though, are you? Just left, mate. See, there's still cars going. There's cars going up down there and off the other side. There you go, I got another Ford here as well. Which was this one?
Fiesta, innit? Mark 1. So.
Mr. Mickey the car guy. Oh yeah, Z-Tech, or Aztec. I love this though. This Rolls Royce is nice.
It's dead, doesn't it?
I know.
Look at wood inside.
I know, it's rotten, mate. No, I know how you do it. But again, it's really dodgy.
I know that you can go outside, someone's stuck a panel off there and you can get in from inside. I've never looked there.
Quiet. Land Rover, England. Oh, Birmingham. That's mad. Absolutely mad, bonkers, absolutely bonkers place this. Alright, we're gonna go over here. Will you tell me? Just gonna show you what is inside there. Madness, absolutely mad. So my guys are in the next bit, and yeah, it's mad, mate. Yeah, just be quiet. Just be quiet, you'll be fine. Look at this Northwood station. It's just jam-packed and it piled up. What's this?
See it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mickey. Oh man, there's just so many cars in there. Hey Mickey, what, that one, look. How much did I see? Yeah, no, I see it. Walk to the building. Mm-hmm. It's in this countryside moment. No, you want to go this way. Look, that's what you have to do. Nice and quiet though. I wonder what's covered over there. Well, I know, it's all everything in it.
That used to do car boot sales or something.
Potentially, or they just used to take everything.
Got a path there, look.
Yeah. No, you don't really, do you?
Right.
You have to go that way, left side. No, not that, Mick. What did you mean on there? What's that, Mick? Oh, Mickey, you could have gone under there, mate. Oh, you see the big car up there? Oh, that's like rotten under there, mate. Oh, this is mad. You see the mannequin?
Yeah.
Look at all the stuff. Mickey, there's cars all the way under there, mate.
Yeah. What, radio?
Yeah. It's been playing for 2 years. How did you get over there?
Office. Put your foot on here. And onto the ladder. Go on.
Hey, look, it's a beer pump. Radio. Jesus, mate. Listen, listen.
That's all good here then.
Yeah.
Got this path in here. Oh, Mercedes.
Is it Merc?
Yeah.
It's on the wood. Shh. Mate.
This car would be perfect. Isn't it?
Wow.
Look at the niceness of it, man. Look at this car.
Stay there, Mick. Have you got your other torch? Other back? Other light?
Did? Ready to charge it?
Same. A bit of extra light now, just to make life a bit easier, since everyone died. Yeah, it's everything, isn't it?
Everything except the kitchen sink.
It's a big sale.
Yeah.
Follow it around then. Look, over here, look, more cars though. What is that, Mick? Mick.
Copies on me.
Oh, I don't know, MG? No, I saw it there. MG in it.
Midget.
Oh, midget, MG midget. Wow. Oh, yeah, then we got to the other, yeah, wow, that's convert that, isn't it? A Lotus? No, down, it's locked anyway, down. Behave. Yeah, no. Like, hazards in the way. What's the pink car? American?
Oh, mate, look inside it.
Yo, what is this, like a...
Ladies' car, innit? But
It is.
look at fire hump
Oh,
down.
MG again. Wonder if it's another midget.
Look at seats, innit, man?
I know, nice and easy. That's it, just leave that there. Yo, look at this one. Why do we always come to places that are like this?
I don't know. Look at this car here. I don't know what it is, but... Oh, no, it is.
Jag, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, old school Jag.
Go down this way first. Oh, man, he's got a man cave. Keys are still in cars, but...
Shh. We in the house? We in the house?
I think so, yeah.
Let's
Upstairs.
Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, no, get back out. Pull this way. I don't think we want to go over there.
Just go.
No. Let's do our stuff. Because that's where all the sound of everything is. Do it at the end. Mad, innit? This is mad though. It's a big workout, isn't it? Bloody Mercedes, man. It's crazy indeed.
What with the cans?
Do the SO.
Just said, maybe someone would love to have cars or something.
Mad, isn't it though? Oh, the fact that the cars are all buried
I've
though.
done it again.
Yeah, we'll do, just keep going. But look at all the cars that are buried. They're actually buried on top of, like, you know what I mean, other things.
So we believe, obviously, it looks like, look at that beautiful MG sign.
No, you should see the midget up there. This one here, look. Hey, Mick.
That's over there.
I see a tag there, mate. Is that dark? What is that? That was close.
Wow.
That was close. That was doggy. That doggy's there.
What?
Woof woof.
There's a dog next door.
I know.
Yeah, we can't go back.
That way. Yeah, it is.
Look at it and whatnot.
Yeah,
So,
well, I can't imagine for a moment the owner would want you anywhere near this place.
I mean, like I said, we were just told about it, so we're photographers. We're just going to take pictures.
I'll ring the police now.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Listen, we're not actually like damaging or breaking anything or doing anything.
Doesn't matter, mate, you're trespassing.
Off the side a bit. There we go.
Some of it for you.
Huh?
Some of it for you.
Cool. Ooh. Right, let me go talk to my guy. I'll go talk to this guy. Put my last in there.
There you go.
I mean, like I said, we're happy. If you want us to leave, we're more than happy to leave and all that. You know what I mean?
Breaking and entering.
We haven't broken.
With the cars.
We haven't been breaking anything. We don't, like I said, there's.
We've got full recordings.
Yeah, like I said, we haven't. Let me.
Okay.
Like I said,
You're trespassing.
I mean, trespassing is a civil
This
thing.
is, you know, somebody's land, and you're not allowed on it.
I mean, like I said, so like we're happy. Like if you want us to go, more than happy to go and all that. I mean, you can call the police as well. Like I said, all they'll do is just tell us to move on. We're not like criminals or doing anything. You know what I mean? But then again, like unlike a lot of people, we're quite respectful as well. You might not think it, but like I said, we just came to take a couple of pictures of cars.
You're on somebody else's land.
I mean, like, but that's just a civil thing. So, if, like I said,
Fuck it isn't, mate. If you come on my land, I'd fucking knock you out.
I mean, again, like, that would be a dispute between me and you. But,
Yeah.
but again, but like I said,
This ain't acceptable, buddy.
all right, Alex. Well, then we
leave
do. We'll leave. We'll leave. Happy to leave. Again, we are sorry if we disturbed you as well and all that. Again, that's not what we're about.
The neighbourhood know you're here because they saw you coming through the top fence.
Yeah. Okay. That's fair play.
But
No,
it's
that's.
not. It's not allowed. It's not right. You shouldn't be doing. This is somebody's private property. and
I mean,
private
like I said, I can.
materials. You shouldn't be in here.
I mean, I can put a message out because, like I said, because it's already been leaked online anyway
No,
by
that's
others.
beside the point. You guys should not.
But I can
be-
put a message out as well saying don't come here and all the other bits. I'm a bit bigger than a few other guys, so do you know what I mean?
Got a big following.
It should be.
Doesn't matter. You know, you need to leave.
No, that's fine. Should we just go out this way?
You won't be able to get out that way, buddy. You'll need to come back. You'll need to go the way.
The way that we came. No, that's absolutely fine. Again, sorry for disturbing you. Know that. Again, it's not what we're
No,
about.
sorry.
Just taking pictures and whatnot. But again,
Off you go.
have a nice day, yeah? Come on then. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I want some pictures of the other bit. So we don't know it though. But it seemed that younger guy was there as well. That younger guy was there as well. I remember that.
Which one? On there.
Don't, yeah. Don't-
I don't know anything anyway, it's civil.
Yeah, but like I say, you can tell us to move on and all the other things, which is absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Again, that's the whole point is about doing as much as you can in some places.
Yeah, of course.
Again, we'll be the last one to do this.
Yeah.
Go on, after you.
Sounds good, me too.
Meet.
I didn't see two of them.
I saw one earlier. This is why I said I saw like a thing. I did see a bit, you know what I mean? It's all good though.
So,
That's the end.
that was very unexpected. Only been more than acceleration, don't know outcome.
Do you see why we got the pictures earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to dip out.
I'll go from there, guys.
We want to get off quick.
Is there any interactions with the police or also if you're recording now?
No, just let me do the talking. Please.
Yeah, yeah. We can do it longer.
Straight over and round, guys. So guys, that is the end of the video. What a crazy and amazing place. We spoke to some people obviously on the land and everything. They weren't best pleased. However, we did explain what we were up to and you know what I mean, not there to cause an issue and disturb people. However, do not go there. They made it clear they don't want people on the land, even though, you know what I mean, nice people. I mean, they said nice, and apparently the guy's very proud of his collection. It should be. He's got some crazy cars there, absolutely amazing things, and I'm so proud that. Well, I say proud. I hate upsetting people, but I'm really happy that I got some photos of the place as well, because again, it's a stunning place. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought of the video. Don't go here. If you find it, don't go, because they'll have you. They will. Like, I'm not joking. They will have you. And yeah, let me know what you guys saw. You see any crazy cars there that you're like, yo, cars that you remember driving, anything like that? But yeah, until next one, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. I'm out.